What role do you think automation and technological progress will play in the future of India's job market?
Oh, oh. Automation is actually blamed for drying up of jobs from the market, because whenever there is a job cuts, it is blamed upon the automation. And actually, this charge is not wrong. Many times, under the guise of productivity improvement, the ultimate aim is to reduce the number of jobs only. So automation is done to cut jobs. And that is why the reputation has become like that. But it need not be so. It need not be so. You see, nowadays there are big buzzwords like Industry 4. Okay. Now, Industry 4 advocates automation, total automation. But beyond Industry 4, there is a talk of Industry 5. And Industry 5 says that everything should have human touch. It's not extension of Industry 4. It is quite the opposite, actually, if you ask me. But the thought process is a little different in Industry 5. They say that we need this kind of thing because all the premium products that you see, they are using human creativity and human adaptivity and ingenuity. Right? Now, if you talk about mass-produced item, which is made by machines totally with total automation, you have something like Parle-G biscuit, okay, which is good but which is cheap. It's meant for mass consumption. Okay, but then people buy premium butter cookies which are handmade, and that is costing much more than this one. But there is a market for that. All the premium wines, all the premium cakes, they are handmade. Would you go to a restaurant where you are told that chef is a robot? Mostly you will not. Okay. So we require human creativity, human ingenuity. And whatever AI ML may do, you cannot have a software or a machine which is writing poetry or doing shero-shairi with the kind of contextual linkage that a human shair would do. Right? Through AI, you can't crack a right joke at the right time. Right? So there are limitations. So somewhere you require human creativity, human dexterity, hand movements, fineness of hand movement, touch and feel. Now all those things are also coming. So the next industrial movement that is there on the horizon is contemplating together, working together of man and machine. So far, we have been learning how to program a machine, how to use a CNC machine, how to program a robot. So in other words, human beings are adapting to the machine. In the process, we are becoming like a machine also. But the future is, machine should adapt to us. Why we should adapt to machines? So machine should adapt to human vagaries. So if, let us say, on an assembly line, we have robots working together with human operator. Human operator is not expected to give a command through a remote or typing a cryptic code, nothing. Robo has to understand, depending on from which region the person is. If he says IIO or Lahol Vilakuat, robo should understand why this phrase was uttered and what is meant by that and what the robo should do to correct whatever has gone wrong. Now, that is the future, where machines shall adapt to human, but it is given, it is for granted that machines will have to work together with human beings, with human vagaries. So, the jobs are not going to go. There will be humans and there will be machines. There will be automation plus there will be manpower. So, I would not say that in future the automation will take away all the jobs. The nature of jobs would change. The nature of human beings may change. The nature of machines may change. But there is going to be a coexistence.